Back to the channel. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So here we are with Bitcoin dropping down just a little bit, and I'm not surprised here because we've been through all the details in the last video. And so right now you are dropping at $29,200, which is pretty much the place that I am observing for Bitcoin to get down to. So bringing in the RSI, I think I've been looking at so many things on Bitcoin and what can be possible in the next run. So let's keep it simplified this time, okay? So there is a concept called KISS, keep it simple, stupid. And this is a concept in software engineering, because when you create applications like Facebook and Instagram and blah blah blah, you have to keep things simple. For example, google.com, if you go to google.com, it's pretty simple. So that's a concept that was introduced from KISS, keep it simple, stupid. So I think I'm just going to do the same with crypto, and I like to filter out all the garbage and come straight to the point. So to me personally, RSI is right over here at the resistance, and I told you that you got double resistance right now. You have the resistance above here, and I'm going to show you once again if I try to just drag this a little bit out there. So you got the resistance there, resistance here, and you got the resistance on the RSI. So two resistances are definitely going to be heavy. Now for me, I've also told you about the candlesticks, and this was a stack sandwich candlestick. You have a spinning top, which is doji to go down as well. So those are also bearish. And then I told you about the divergence. To me, the direction is more to where, and this is where the KISS concept comes in, that we might be looking at Bitcoin's RSI to come down to this 20 level on the RSI right over there. Okay, that's where I'm personally putting my bets on, and this could be an amazing entry opportunity down the road. And that you can see, you got one touch here, a little bit of nearly a touch there, one here, one there, and nearly one here, and then you come down and you finally make another touch. And anytime you came to this line, it has been fruitful to go to the upside once again. That's when I might be able to start to buy again, and maybe buy even bigger this time, because we have Bitcoin on a larger time frame to go back to the all-time high, which is the $69,000. That's another way to keep it simple. So if I have to keep another thing very, very simple and short, you see, I'm not trading too much with a lot of money these days. I'm more into the long term at the moment, because that's one very smart strategy, and not a financial advice, but I will give you a friendly recommendation that, have something for the long term. Have it. It's a must, because you have you see a falling wedge like this. You got a technical target of the falling wedge being back there. So whatever happens in here, it's hard to tell you how the movement is going to be, up and down, slow and down, and this and that. You don't know. Maybe make some shoot to the upside the way we did here. Maybe make it ups and downs like this. You never know. But the thing is that you're looking to go there, just let it go there. And when it goes there, then look what happens next. Can you break this resistance and continue to $200,000, which also I predict can happen down the road. I believe that Bitcoin going to $200,000 is a realistic target. If Bitcoin went to $69,000, then don't tell me it cannot do $200,000. That's like only 2.5x, and that's very, very possible. So that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.